It is a hot summer day. So hot. It's been so hot for the past couple of days. Like sweating. Yeah, even the baby sweats at night time when he's sleeping, and he's sweating and he's only got a nappy on. It's that hot. I don't even know how I managed to just wear a t-shirt today. Because it's one of those weathers where you just need a vest. Like even a short sleeve t-shirt is irritating, but I managed it today. It's 6 in the evening. I'm currently making some part of the bed because I've just had one of those days where it's literally like because of the weather, you just needed a very slow day, a very slow day where everything you do, just do it slow, because if you do it too fast, you're just gonna sweat so much, and heat and stress is not good. It doesn't work well. So it's gonna be like a very slow vlog today. Oh my goodness, the air just came through the window. Oh, I've missed that. I've missed that. One of my cushion cases have gone missing. I don't know where it's gone. I've never had did I say cushion cases? Pillowcase. Yeah, it's gone missing. I don't know where it's gone. I left it in a wardrobe. I was like, let me pull it in my wardrobe, and then when I change the bed sheets, it's ready in the wardrobe. And I've looked everywhere, I can't find it. How does something like that go missing? Oh, the other day I did go into Primark. I saw they had really lovely pillowcases, and it's going to work perfectly well for my blanket, which is just a normal plain white blanket, duvet set, duvet cover, bed sheets. Yeah, the one for Primark is white, and it's got like these grey like floral designs. I think it's £3.50. I think it'll work really, really well with my yeah, I think that'll be perfect. So it's something I'm gonna get yeah, soon. But right now I'm just changing bed sheets, so I won't have to worry about that. I might get it next week, maybe. Right, so change my bed sheets. I don't know how I did that. Literally, I was trying to do it before, earlier on in the, I think in the morning. I was trying to do it in the morning. Couldn't even find the energy to do it. Literally, was like, don't even do it. But thank goodness I did it. But thank God for giving me the energy to do that. So I think I am going to change the other boys' bed sheets. I want to see if I can do both bed sheets. If not, I'm not going to stress myself out. I just want to do maybe the lower bed. They haven't cleaned their room today, so they're going to come up and clean their room. I'm going to get one of them to come upstairs and clean their room with me, and then I'm going to go downstairs and give them a snack. Even though like my oldest is like, he's big enough to just go in the kitchen and find himself something to eat, we're trying to stop old bad habits, so I'm trying to get them to eat more healthy options instead of just like chocolate spread, biscuit. Like I haven't bought biscuits, like a pack of biscuits, for a very long time, because I'm generally like, I don't want you munching on biscuits all the time. You need to like have a variety of food to eat, so that's what I'm trying to show them, if you get what I mean. But they do at night time, they do have snack, but it's not biscuit. I think yesterday they had popcorn as a snack after dinner, and it's one of the, I tasted the popcorn, it's not even that sweet. It's nice, but it's not sweet. Today is my son's birthday and I got him a cake. He doesn't know I got him a cake. I have a son who turned 8 recently. I got the feeling like when I told my 3-year-old, well, my 4-year-old who's turned 4, he didn't really want a cake. He said, oh, when it's my birthday, I want the cake that's plain. Like, he wants a plain cake. And I got the feeling like he was just tired of like the usual ones you just pick up from Sainsbury's. So I thought, I bought him a carrot cake. He likes the Sainsbury's carrot cake. It's a small cake, but it's enough for all 4 of them. The baby's not going to eat, so yeah, he's sleeping. Earlier on today we popped to the shops and I've been hiding it in my bag. I got some strawberry Pence for Laces sweet, 4 packet of Rolo, and then I've got like a normal packet of Smarties. I'm going to decorate the carrot cake and put these on top. That way it's different, you know? Yeah, and just see how it goes. See how it goes. And it's a total surprise, so he has no idea we're doing this. So here's the cake from Sainsbury's. Taste the difference. As I said before, it is quite a, you can see it's big as my hand. It's quite a small cake, but they do love it. They love this cake. I'll leave it on this thing and just decorate it. Here's the cake, guys. So literally all 4 packets of the Rolo I put on the cake, and yeah, that 1 packet of Skittles was actually pretty much enough. So my slightly DIY cake decorating. So they're in the living room. I'm gonna go and surprise him.